Welcome to my students. Today we will discuss about module B part 2. Today's topic is database and information management. Dear students, what do you mean by database? Database is a structured set of data held in a computer, spatially on that in accessible in various ways. And also we can say a database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database hierarchy actually starts with bit. We all know about a bit. Bit actually means 0 and then go to byte. And we all know the machine actually know the machine language. The machine language starts with byte. It is 0 or 1. Then it's come to field. Field means if you write a record like a student information, student 1 or roll 1, it's go to field. And then go to record. Record means if you want to write a database about a student, it starts with his ID or his roll number, then go to records the other details of an information, then go to file. We start with one student and make it 100,000 students database is go for file or it called file. And after that, many of these things aligning with these files are combinedly actually database. Suppose a student have their own identity database, have their own marks database, and any type of things. All our files actually go for database, and that's called the database hierarchy. What is database hierarchy? A computer system organizes data in a hierarchy that starts with the bit, which represents either or 0 or a 1. Bits can be grouped to form a byte to represent one character, number or symbol. Byte can be grouped to form a field, and related field can be grouped to form a record. Related record can be collected to form a file, and related files can be organized into a database. In most organizations, the traditional approach to information processing means that database and other systems tended to grow independently without a company-wide plan. Accounting, finance, manufacturing, human resources, and sales and marketing all developed their own system and data files. We already discussed about database. Students, what do you mean by database management system? DBMS. Database management system are software system used to store, retrieve, and run queries on data. A database management system serves as an interface between an end user and a database, allowing users to create, read, update, and delete data in the database. We can also say database management system manages the data, the database engine, and the database schema, allowing for data to be manipulated or extracted by users and other programs. This helps provide data security, data integrity, concurrency, and uniform data administration processes. We can also say about database management system can be classified based on a variety of criteria, such as the data model, the database distribution, or users numbers. The most widely used database of database software relational, distributed, hierarchical, object-oriented, and network-oriented. All are the examples of database management system. Now you see the picture in DBMS at a glance. It comprises is database, software, data, system. All are combinedly called database management system. Now we discuss relational database management system. Actually, what do you mean by relational database management system? Relational database management system is an information management system that is oriented on a data model. Here all the information is properly stored as a table and linked each other, make a report to presentable to the others for better understanding. Popular types of RDMS are Oracle, MySQL, MariaDB, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL. Students, I can suggest you that in this present era, minimum one machine language need to learn for you. What make you different from the others? In this present era, finance and technology comprises called fintech. If you make yourself as a fintech expert, you should need to know a machine language. It should be Oracle, it should be MySQL, or also Python. You are now see a picture about a RDMS. RDMS consists of three tables. In this three table, you see students table, ID table, and course table. All comprises actually RDMS. If you search a student ID, you can search about the thing. A student's name Matt, he get marks in class 1001, is semester in FA02, and classroom is 1101. And the subject name is Introduction to Informatics. And this is the real satisfactory level of an RDMS. Now we discuss the difference between DBMS and RDMS. Presently, on slightly we can see that DBMS and RDMS are same, but in definition is too different in both. DBMS stands for Database Management System, is only manage the data. RDMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It's not only manage the data, it's link the data with different table and make a report to reportable or presentable to the management or to the people. Data stored as a file is a DBMS. Data is stored as a table is RDMS. In RDMS, multiple data element can be accessed at same time. In DBMS, no relation between the data. In RDMS, relation with multiple table in each other. In DBMS, normalization can be achieved, but RDMS you cannot achieve this normalization. RDMS has no support for distributed database, but you have full support in distributed database in RDMS. DBMS basically deals with a small quantity of data, but RDMS deals with a large quantity of data, and you can manage the data with variety of reports. Data redundancy is the common in RDMS, but data redundancy is too reduced, too short in index in RDMS. And in these cases, redundancy of data is too low. The basic users are the DBMS supporter single users, but RDMS is the multiple users in here because of multiple files are working in a one workplace among the officers of the office, and they can make the different type of report what is presentable to the organization. This is the basic difference of DBMS and RDMS. But my student, you must have to remind that DBMS and RDMS are all important for our day-to-day life. If we know about DBMS but not RDMS, it will be disaster for you because of the database management system is important. Also, RDMS is also important. What you basically to presentable yourself to the management and to the others with the reports. For an information policy, data administration and data quality assurance essential for managing the firm's data resources. It is too important. Information policy. Information policy state organization rule for organizing, managing, storing and sharing information. It is important for an organization. Data administration. Data administration is responsible for specific policies and procedure through which data can be managed as a resource. Another important, database administration. Database design and management group responsible for defining and organizing the structure and content of the database and maintaining the database. Any company, security control is another important thing. Now we discuss information system security control. Information system security control comprises of processes and practice of technologies designed to protect network, computer, program and data from unwanted and most importantly deliberate illustrations. Some techniques of information system control we are discussing in here. Number 1, organizational control. Number 2, management control. Number 3, financial control. Number 4, data processing environmental control. Number 5, physical access control. Number 6, logical access control. Number 7, SDLA control. Number 8, BCP control. And number 9, application control. All our control is needed. Security of an information system control. We all know about audit. In this time, we are discuss about information system audit. Audit management system is combination of software and business processes that, when used together, significantly reduce the time and effort necessary for your organization to conduct an audit. In these cases, you should maintain a chain. Number 1, meeting stakeholder needs. Number 2, covering the enterprise end-to-end. Number 3, applying a single integrated framework. Number 4, enabling a holistic approach. And number 5, separating governance from the management. If you go with this process, any information system should be good for a company, and it can give the real benefit of an information system. Today is the last discussion topic is today's class, terms and techniques for safeguarding IS. Any safeguard, IS is too important. You have IS, but you are not maintaining a safeguard, it will be a disaster. We all know, in today's fast-paced digital landscape, companies heavily rely on technology tools to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and enhance overall productivity. However, with the increasing prevalence of cyber threat, businesses must prioritize the security of their technology infrastructure. In this post, we will explore essential strategies that companies can adopt to ensure their technology tools are secure. In this field, conduct a comprehensive risk assessment, implement multi-layer authentication, regularly update and patch software, train employees on cybersecurity, regular security audit and penetration testing, implementation a data backup and recovery plan, monitor and response to security incidents. If we are not maintaining above safeguards, we are not safe from anything. Some years ago, we see that our Bangladesh Bank get a huge threat in 800 crore taka threats in Bangladesh Bank. So that any safeguard is any information system is mandatory. Without safeguarding this IS, this IS should be will be a great trouble. Students, thank you all.